Let's make a snack like this. Very flaky, very easy to make. Please suggest the name for this snack. I don't know the name, but it's so good, so flaky, so tasty, so easy. Please suggest a name on the comment box. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can make 45 small pieces of this flaky snack. We need 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons semolina, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, cracked black pepper, chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil to the smoking hot and give a shock treatment to the flour. Combine well. Add half cup of water and mix well. Make sure you add water batch by batch only. Knead for 5 minutes. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. Remove the dough. Press gently. Using a rolling pin, roll it very, very, very thin as much as you can. Dust some flour. Rub it all over. Drizzle some oil. Spread it all over. Again, dust some flour and roll it tightly. And cut the dough into half thick slices. It's so beautiful. Press it gently and roll it like this. Heat some oil and start frying the snack. It won't take too long. Flip it over in between and make a crispy snack like this. Drain all the oil and transfer to a kitchen towel lined plate and enjoy with a tea. So flaky. The sound will tell you how crispy it is. Very tasty snack. Cup of tea. Have the snack. It will be amazing. But don't miss out to suggest a name for this dish for me. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.